Hello, Karibuni. This is Franco and Bernadette from the Fumba Town Service Center. We will open our doors for the Fumba Town Service Center on the 4th of May for Zanzibar's first International Permaculture Day celebration. We have chosen and we partner with organizations and companies that follow the Sustainable Development Goals and permaculture ethics to celebrate and showcase and share our work and achievements.
We will create the flair of a market with delicious food and drinks, a broad workshop program, childcare, car boot sale, musical performances, and guided tours through our beautiful growing Fumba Town.
If you are interested in one of our workshops, register now. We will have workshops on drumming, composting and compost tea, introduction to permaculture in English and Kiswahili.
And also in earthworms, beekeeping, cooking class on local vegetables, seed saving.
We will teach t-shirt screen printing, making of natural scraps, and there will be yoga.
Many of us have been active in taking care of our environment, and this is an opportunity to share, network, and celebrate. So,
see you there. Bye.